day 2. Good morning, my dear students. I hope you're all in good health. Today we talk about a new lesson, but before we will start, open your book page number 839. Today we talk about a new lesson called Polygons. And the objective from this lesson, students will describe and classify polygons by their attributes. And let's take some new words like attribute, hexagon, octagon, pentagon, polygon, quadrilateral, triangle. Again, attribute, hexagon, octagon, pentagon, polygon, quadrilateral, triangle. Let's return our first page. Here, a polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure formed by three or more straight sides that don't cross each other. And here, what's meant by an attribute is a characteristic of a figure. Okay? And a characteristic depends on number of sides and number of angles. And here, open the next page number 840. And here, let's take some polygons. This table is divided into 4 columns. First column called shape, second column called sides, third column called angles, and fourth column called models. Here, shape, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. And here, let's start with first shape, triangle. Here sides, angles, models. This model of triangle, let's take number of sides. This called side, and this side, and this side. So let's count how many sides here. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. So right here 3. And angles. Each 2 sides make an angle. So these 2 sides make angle, and these 2 sides make angle, and these 2 sides make angle. So how many angles here? So let's count how many angles here. 1, 2, 3. 3 angles. In polygons in two-dimensional shapes, number of sides should be equal number of angles. Okay? Here, quadrilateral. These models of quadrilateral. So here, number of sides. Let's count how many sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And angles. Let's count how many angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles. Here, pentagon. Sides. Let's count how many sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. And angles. Let's count how many angles here. Between these 2 sides, there is an angle. And between these 2 sides, there is an angle. And between these 2 sides, there is an angle. And between these 2 sides, there is an angle. And between these 2 sides, there is an angle. So let's count how many angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, 5 angles. Here, hexagon. Sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here, 6. Angles. How many angles? So let's count how many angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here, 6 angles. Here, octagon. Sides. Let's count how many sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And angles. So let's count how many angles here in this shape or in this shape. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right here, 8 angles. Okay, so here triangle has 3 sides and 3 angles. Quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. Hexagon has 6 sides and 6 angles. Octagon has 8 sides and 8 angles. Here, let's take example number 1. Here, look at the circle ball. The blue shape outlined in a white is a polygon. describe and classify the polygon by its attributes. This polygon is called a pentagon. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides and 5 angles. So here, the blue shape outlined in a white has 5 sides. So let's count how many sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So right here, 5 sides. And here, how many angles? Let's count how many angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 angles. So right here, 5 angles. Okay, here, example number 2. The root sign shown in the polygon describe and classify the polygon by its attributes. Okay, here, this polygon called an octagon. Why? This polygon known as with its sides. Okay, so let's count how many sides here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. Okay, and how many angles? So let's count how many angles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles. The polygon that has 8 sides and 8 angles known as an octagon. So here, an octagon is a polygon with 8 sides and 8 angles. Okay, here the road sign has 8 sides and 8 angles. Okay, with this, we finished our session and our lesson, and your homework, page number 841 and 843. I hope that all of you understood every point with me today. Thanks, my dear students. See you soon.